I'm John Kohlenbrink, National Sales Manager for URMA USA.
My name is Eugenio Saler. I'm the Managing Director of Belerit Brazil.
Okay, I'm Gorka from the company Raupen. We are located in Spain.
Every time we come here, we get new insights, a very good new energy. We meet people, we feel the strong, good vibes that you have in the company, and this affects us very positively.
They transfer to us a lot of knowledge. They receive from us our ideas, and it's easy to go together with them.
Very capable people, really proactive people, searching to help, searching to get the results. So we are a team together.
One of the things I really appreciate about working with URMA is how you feel like you're almost family with the company.
And this is great to have when you have an alliance with such a company as URMA.
We have good support, but I can't say it's the URMA people. And we have a really good feeling, really good support in different areas, technical area, deliveries, with managing everything.
You don't get that from a lot of other companies, but to get that feeling of family is very important. Regardless of the quality side, which is already Swiss quality and excellent.
I think that is the key for a good job.
Knowing that as a person I'm rated very highly is important.
This gives us a lot of motivation.
It's easy to go together with them. I think that is more than the product.